My video will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Happy. This ransomware called Happy is from the Medusa Locker family. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Happy ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, so it encrypts files and damages the files. Then the ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Definitely paying the ransom is not a good idea. You should not waste your money and you should not pay the ransom, because if you pay that ransom, there is a high risk of you simply losing your money. So the ransomware actually encrypts files and damages the files tremendously. The ransomware actually appends this happy11 extension to the file names. It also reveals the ransom note where it tells the victims to pay a special ransom, and it also changes this desktop background. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I urge you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching your device. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.